All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 2, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. How often do you buy shoes?
I usually buy shoes once in a month due to changes in the trend. That's why I like to.
Okay, this answer is short and there is less information in your answer. Try to expand it to 4 5 sentences, right? Let's go on. Do you prefer to buy shoes online or in store?
I prefer to buy online some websites like in Draws, and that's the way I like to buy shoes, and I prefer online.
Okay, I like to buy shoes. I prefer online is wrong. I prefer to buy shoes online. That'll be the right one. Okay. Now let's go on. Do you know anyone who likes to buy a lot of shoes?
I know my brother who like to
Who likes to?
who likes to buy a lot of shoes. He bought from the online websites and he like to
He
buy.
likes to buy shoes. So your answer is short. There is less information in your answer. Focus the content of your answer. One last question. What is your favorite type of shoes?
My favorite type of shoes is casual shoes, and I like to wear that formal events, and that's why I like them.
Okay. All right. So try to answer properly. At least there should be 5 sentences in your answer. Okay. Let's go on. It's your turn. What kind of things do you have to bring when you go outside?
Sir, today is my first day. So
Doesn't matter. No problem. Just try to answer. What is your favorite color?
my favorite color is blue
Why? Why do you like blue
because
color?
this color is very attractive and
Okay. What is your favorite food?
my favorite food is my favorite food is
Mm-hmm. Chicken, whatever you like,
my favorite food
barbecue
is
or whatever.
chicken.
Okay, why do you like chicken? Okay, tell me about your hometown.
I am from Okada
Okay,
and my city is Akhtarabad.
all right. Okay, thank you so much. But try to practice these topics. Okay, thank you.